The scheduled arraignment of top Binance officials at the Federal High Court in Abuja failed Thursday after the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, said it could not serve charges on the defendants. A lawyer to the Nigeria Tax Agency, FIRS, Moses Ideho, informed the judge, Emeka Nwite, that his client made efforts to serve the charges on Tigran Gambaryan, one of the two Binance executives charged in the case, but was denied access. Mr. Gambaryan is being held by the Office of the National Security Advisor, NSA, in Abuja, Nigeria's capital city. Binance and its two officials, Tigran Gambaryan and Nadim Anjarwala, were to be arraigned on 5 counts of money laundering and tax evasion before Mr. Nwite on Thursday. After that, the prosecution lawyer sought the court's permission to serve Mr. Gambaryan with a copy of the charge. He also prayed the court to allow Mr. Gambaryan to confer with his lawyers to determine the mode of plea he would take. But Mr. Gambaryan's lawyer, Ikwazom, a senior advocate of Nigeria, SEN, opposed his client taking of plea in the matter. Mr. Ikwazom said he needed time to discuss the case with Mr. Gambaryan. After a heated argument over the government's failure to serve the second defendant, Mr. Ideho sought an adjournment to enable Mr. Gambaryan to consult with his team of lawyers regarding the charge. The charge was eventually served on Mr. Gambaryan, prompting the judge to adjourn the defendant's arraignment hearing until 19 April. In the charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/115/2024, dated 22 March and filed by the FIRS team of lawyers led by Moses Ideho, the prosecution accused the defendants of committing the alleged offences on or about 1st February. Count 1 alleged that while involved in carrying and offering services to subscribers on their platform known as Binance, they failed to register with FIRS for the purpose of paying all relevant taxes administered by the service. Count 2 alleged that while they were offering taxable services to subscribers on their trading platform, Binance, they failed to issue invoices to determine and pay their value-added tax, VAT. Count 3 accused them of offering services to subscribers on their trading platform in the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies and the remittances and transfer of those assets, and that having offered those services was obliged to deduct VAT and did fail to deduct necessary VAT arising from their operations. In Count 4, the prosecution accused them of offering services to subscribers on their trading platform and aiding and abetting those subscribers in unlawfully refusing or neglecting to pay those taxes. The alleged offences, according to the prosecution, are punishable under Section 8 and 29 of the VAT Act of 1993 as amended, Section 40 of the FIRS Establishment Act 2007 as amended, and under provisions of Section 94 of the Companies Income Tax Act as amended respectively. Meanwhile, a separate suit against Binance and its executives is ongoing before Mr. Nwite. The suit is being prosecuted by Nigeria's anti-corruption agency, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Currently, lawyers in the suit are contesting the propriety of the mode of service on Mr. Gambaryan and Binance.
I know.